జరుగుతుంది మిగతా డైరెక్టర్స్ అందరికి.
దర్శన గారు, హాయ్. ఐఎమ్ కౌసల్య.
Hi,
ఐఎమ్ ఎ
Kausalya.
బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్స్.
Thank you.
సో ఈ మూవీ ఓకే ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఐ గాట్ లాస్ట్.
No problem.
యా, సో ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్, మీరు స్టోరీ వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ టు నో హౌ డూ యూ వర్క్ అనమాట. సో ఆఫ్టర్ వైల్ వర్కింగ్ స్టోరీలో మీకు ఏదైనా స్క్రిప్ట్లో వస్తుంది, బట్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసినప్పుడు యూ డింట్ లైక్ ఇట్. డూ యూ సిట్ అండ్ డిస్కస్ విత్ ద మేకర్స్ ఆర్ డూ యూ గో అలాంగ్ విత్ ఇట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మూవీస్?
So I think it depends. See, whatever I think of a scene, of a line or whatever we're working on. It's ultimately I think of myself as a tool to say the director is using me to say his story, a story that he wants to say. But when you work in like collaborative environments like we did in Parda, we had the space. He was open to discussing it in a way that it felt like he and I are taking Ami towards where we want to. In a place like that, I've always tried, I would always express what I thought. I don't think she would say this. It's great that, one thing he very strongly, I really appreciate that he did it. He said, you're a woman, you know better. You know Ami better than I do. And he said that a lot to all of us. And he always, sort of took feedback from us in a way that we could incorporate it for a better Ami. So it depends. I think some places maybe there is not, that sort of a space, and sometimes it's nice to also just be present and be. This director wants me to do this, I will do that. So yeah, it depends on what kind of a story, what kind of a set I'm working on.
దర్శన గారు, సో మీరు ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ వాచ్డ్ ఆల్ వి ఇమాజిన్ యాజ్ లైట్ అని ఒక మూవీ వచ్చింది కనకస్తూరి గారిది.
Yes.
సో ఇట్స్ అ మూవీ, ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ ఉమెన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ మూవీ, ఇట్స్ అ ఉమెన్ సెంట్రిక్ మూవీ. It doesn't lecture anything.
Yeah.
It's just a creative art.
Yeah.
So do you think అది చాలా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్ వెళ్ళింది? సో డూ యూ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఓపెనింగ్ డోర్స్ ఫర్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరీస్? ఉమెన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ అనగానే women always should be, action sequence చేయాలి or lecture ఇవ్వాలి. It's always about something else. It doesn't always have to be giving lecture, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think about it? Do you think it
Absolutely.
opens doors?
Yeah, no, I think it's fabulous. They're friends of mine, Kani and Divya are really good friends of mine, and it's such a I'm so proud that a film like that has traveled all over the world. It's not just this. It's sort of broken. It's not this industry, that industry. It belongs to many countries also, and it's gone to so many places. And I'm certain that those kind of films reaching many audiences, being successful, means that there's going to be more of those. For sure. So I think even with this film, I really hope that it reaches and it's everything he wants it to be, because I feel like you'll see more of, and there are really fun women's stories to say, and there's so many bonds we don't get to explore that we can if there are more women. So I really hope we get to see more of All We Imagine of Light, more films like Parda, just more stories about women. It'll be great, and I think we'll all have some more great
Last
work. It'll
two
be
questions,
nice.
please.
Director garu, you said this dialogue. Director garu, you said this dialogue. Women chese pani and men cheyaleni pani pillalni kanadam okate ani. You said that dialogue through Darshana garu. Do you think that's the only difference between men and women, and that's the only thing women can do?
Definitely not. That's not what he thinks.
Is that the concept of the story?
Not at all. She's laughing at it, right?
I'm mocking that line. I'm laughing about it in the scene. So I found it obnoxious as Ami when I heard it, as Darshana as well. So I'm mocking the fact that, is that all you think women can do? So that's the context of the line.
సో అనుపమ గారు, యాక్చువల్గా